2 whole bottles. Chuck, 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 chuck.
What's happening, y'all? It's your boy, the Burly Bartender. I got a mic now. What? We got a new spot, new look. So we're not doing that old tire stuff we was doing before. Had to show y'all something new when we make drinks here at the bar. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. All right, holla at me.
So we're here with Bri the Bartender, and she's making a Long Island big batch. The first two, we had some gin and some tequila. Uh-oh, it's all right. We had some gin and tequila going in there, 2 full bottles. Now you got some vodka and some rum going in there, 2 whole bottles. Chuck, 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 chuck.
Oh shit.
And last but not least, you got your triple sec and your sour mix. And that's how you make a giant party batch for a party Friday night. Right, Bri? Yeah, that's right. Thank you for your expertise. 2 whole bottles. Chuck, 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 chuck.